Long-range precision cartridges have always carried a certain mystique. They sit at the intersection of engineering, physics, and shooter discipline, and when they are designed right, they make distance feel smaller than it should be. In 2025, that becomes even more true. We are stepping into a year where cartridge innovation is finally matching real-world shooter capability. And today, I want to walk you through 6 calibers that do not just push long-range performance, they redefine it. These aren't ordinary cartridges. These are the rounds that cut through wind with authority, hold energy far beyond typical hunting distances, and deliver the kind of accuracy that used to feel exclusive to military or elite competition circles. Whether you are a hunter, a precision match shooter, or someone who simply wants to understand where long-range ballistics are headed, this breakdown is built for you. And I can promise that some of the numbers you are about to hear may challenge what you think a modern cartridge can actually achieve. Welcome to Scoper 360 Degrees. And today we are taking a deep look at what I believe are the 6 most accurate and deadliest long-range precision calibers worth paying attention to in 2025. We will look at real performance, the engineering behind each cartridge, both objective and subjective impressions, and yes, whether the price tags match their ballistic reputation. So settle in, because by the end of this review, you might find yourself rethinking which caliber you want to shoot next. Let's begin with the 6.8 Western. This cartridge still feels new to many shooters, but it performs like it has been refined for decades. Introduced in 2021 by Winchester and Browning, the 6.8 Western was designed around heavy for-caliber bullets with legitimately high ballistic coefficients, and that design alone gives it impressive long-distance consistency. A 165-grain AccuBond LR load pushes around 2,970 feet per second with more than 3 200 foot-pounds of energy, while the 170-grain ballistic silvertip I tested averaged about 2,920 feet per second with nearly identical energy. When zeroed 3 inches high at 100 yards, that 170-grain bullet drops roughly 4 inches at 300 yards and still carries about 1,500 foot-pounds of energy at 600 yards. In real-world use, the 6.8 Western delivers tight, repeatable performance with noticeably less recoil than cartridges in the same power bracket. Objectively, it is a strong, long-range performer. Subjectively, I think it is one of the most underrated cartridges available today. Ammunition costs typically range from $50 to $80 per box, which is not cheap, but the ballistic payoff is absolutely worth it if long-distance accuracy is your priority. And with that, we move into a cartridge that has already become a benchmark in precision shooting. The BY300 PRC, or Precision Rifle Cartridge, is a round engineered for extreme range consistency. One of the key design features is its tight freebore diameter of around 3,088 inches, which aligns the bullet more precisely with the bore. This reduces yaw before the rifling takes over and dramatically improves stability. In comparison, the BY300 Winchester Magnum has a larger freebore diameter, and while still excellent, it does not offer the same level of precision potential. Shooting Hornady's 225-grain LongRange ammunition, I was able to maintain approximately 60 to 70% hit probability on a 32-inch steel plate at 1,600 yards. At 1,000 yards, it requires roughly 25 MOA of elevation with that same load. The BY300 PRC showcases a flat trajectory, consistent velocities, and superb long-range predictability. Objectively, it stands at the top of the long-range performance pyramid. Subjectively, it is one of the most satisfying cartridges to shoot at extreme distance. The downsides are a sharper recoil pulse and premium ammunition prices that range from $60 to $100 per box. But if you want a cartridge built for precision first and everything else second, the BY300 PRC delivers on that promise. Now let's transition into a round that offers a surprising amount of long-range capability without punishing the shooter. The 6.5 PRC is essentially the bigger, faster, and more capable evolution of the 6.5 Creedmoor. It pushes high BC 6.5mm bullets at higher velocities while maintaining a level of recoil that is firm yet manageable. A 143-grain ELDX at around 2,900 feet per second produces only about 23 inches of drop at 400 yards and outperforms the .308 Winchester while nearly matching the 7mm Remington Magnum. In a 10-mile-per-hour crosswind at 400 yards, the 6.5 PRC drifts roughly 7.2 inches, less than both the .308 and the 7mm Rem Mag. At 1,000 yards, using 140-grain VLD-style bullets, the cartridge holds around 1,640 feet per second, with about 258 inches of drop, outperforming even the .300 Winchester Magnum in velocity retention and trajectory. Objectively, the 6.5 PRC is efficient, accurate, and dependable. Subjectively, it is one of my favorite cartridges to shoot because it provides long-range capability without the fatigue of heavier magnums. Ammunition runs between $55 and $80 per box. For shooters who want long-range accuracy paired with manageable recoil, the 6.5 PRC is one of the best balanced cartridges available. And now we move from efficiency to one of the most modern and aggressively optimized cartridges in the long-range world. The 7mm C, introduced by Hornady in 2022, quickly gained recognition due to its exceptional ability to push heavy, high BC bullets with remarkable stability. Designed to take full advantage of bullets like the 175-grain ELD and 180-grain ELDM, which carry ballistic coefficients around .7 to .8, the 7mm PRC produces both flat trajectories and low wind drift. A 180-grain ELDM, leaving the muzzle at approximately 2,950 feet per second, holds velocity and energy exceptionally well at long range. 5-shot groups at 100 yards commonly fall below 1 MOA, and some rifles produce groups as tight as half an inch with factory ammunition. At 1,000 yards, bullet drop is around 5.9 mils, with impact velocity still above 200 feet per second and energy just under 1,800 foot-pounds. At 400 yards, drop typically stays under 20 inches, which makes the cartridge flatter than many traditional magnums. Objectively, the 7mm PRC is engineered brilliantly, balancing power, accuracy, and shooter comfort. Subjectively, it is one of the most exciting cartridges released in recent memory because it performs exactly the way a modern long-range round should. Ammunition prices fall between $60 and $90 per box. From here, let's shift to a cartridge that earned its reputation long before most shooters ever touched a precision rifle. The 6.5 Creedmoor is the cartridge that reshaped modern precision shooting by focusing on efficiency and shooter-friendly performance rather than raw power. Introduced in 2007, the Creedmoor fires high BC bullets with moderate recoil, allowing shooters to maintain consistent follow-through and spot their own impacts. Two critical elements of precision shooting. A typical 140-grain bullet with a ballistic coefficient around 0.6 offers excellent energy retention and reduced wind drift. In my own testing, 5-shot groups at 100 yards frequently stay around 1 inch, and high-quality rifles often tighten that to under 0.9 inches. Compared to the .308 Winchester, the Creedmoor delivers flatter trajectory and dramatically improved wind performance. At 1,000 yards, the Creedmoor experiences about 76 inches of wind drift in a 10-mile-per-hour crosswind, while the .308 pushes well past 100 inches. Objectively, the Creedmoor remains one of the most accessible and accurate long-range cartridges for new and experienced shooters alike. Subjectively, it is the round I recommend most often to anyone entering precision shooting because it builds confidence quickly. Ammunition ranges from $30 per box for basic loads to around $60 for premium match and hunting rounds. And now we reach the final cartridge in this review, one that sits in a class entirely its own. The .338 Lapua Magnum is the definition of extreme range precision. Originally developed in the 1980s to bridge the gap between traditional sniper cartridges and the massive .50 BMG, the Lapua Magnum offers unmatched stability, energy retention, and long-range consistency without requiring the enormous weight and recoil of .50 caliber platforms. A typical 250-grain Senar VLD bullet leaves the muzzle at roughly 3,000 feet per second and stays supersonic far beyond distances where most cartridges have already dropped into transonic instability. In real-world applications, the Lapua has proven its dominance repeatedly. A striking example occurred in December 2024 when a Ukrainian Special Forces sniper with the call sign Lecter achieved a confirmed hit at 690 meters using a Finnish Sako M10 rifle chambered in .338 Lapua Magnum. Landing a shot at that distance, and on the first attempt, shows both the shooter's skill and the cartridge's inherent stability. Objectively, the Lapua remains one of the finest long-range cartridges ever produced. Subjectively, it is a thrilling round to shoot. Recoil is firm but manageable with a proper break, and its long-range authority is something you feel rather than simply measure. Ammunition prices typically range from $120 to $180 per box. It is expensive, but extreme range confidence always is. The .338 Lapua Magnum stands as the final entry here, not because it overshadows every other cartridge, but because it represents what is realistically possible in long-range shooting, without moving into anti-material territory. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the most accurate long-range calibers of 2025, make sure you stay connected with Scoper 360 degrees. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Tell me which caliber you want to see tested next, or share your own experiences with any of the cartridges we discussed today. Your questions, your feedback, and your ideas are what shape the next reviews on this channel. And if you want more breakdowns like this, more testing, more comparisons, and more real-world data, make sure you hit subscribe and keep following Scoper 360. There is a lot more coming, and I promise you will not want to miss it.